When you're deep in the wilderness, your watch becomes more than a timepiece. It becomes a survival tool. From GPS navigation and weather tracking to unmatched durability, today's toughest watches are built for extreme adventures. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best tough survival watches of 2026, from number 10 all the way to number 1. Number 10. Casio G-Shock Mudman GW 9500. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Casio G-Shock Mudman GW 9500, a watch built for adventurers who demand toughness above everything else. In 2026, the Mudman continues to be one of the most respected survival watches on the market thanks to its legendary durability and practical outdoor features. These tools give outdoor enthusiasts valuable information when navigating unfamiliar landscapes. Solar charging ensures reliable performance without frequent battery replacements, making the watch particularly useful for extended wilderness adventures. The radio-controlled timekeeping system keeps the watch accurate whenever a signal is available. Water resistance, shock resistance, and dependable performance have long been hallmarks of the G-Shock lineup, and the Mudman continues that tradition. Whether you're hiking through mountains, camping in remote locations, or preparing for emergency situations, this watch offers the reliability and durability needed to perform under pressure. For adventurers seeking a proven survival companion, the Mudman remains one of the toughest watches available in 2026. Number 9. Garmin Instinct 3 Solar. Coming in at number 9 is the Garmin Instinct 3 Solar, a smartwatch specifically designed for extreme outdoor environments. Garmin has built a strong reputation among hikers, hunters, military personnel, and survival enthusiasts, and the Instinct 3 Solar continues to build upon that legacy. Built to military durability standards, the Instinct 3 Solar can withstand impacts, extreme temperatures, and challenging weather conditions. The solar charging technology significantly extends battery life, making it ideal for multi-day adventures. One of the biggest strengths of the watch is its navigation capability. Multiple satellite systems provide accurate location tracking even in difficult environments. Outdoor users can monitor elevation, weather trends, and navigation data directly from their wrist. Fitness tracking features allow users to monitor heart rate, activity levels, recovery, and overall performance. Despite its rugged construction, the watch remains comfortable enough for everyday wear. Garmin's intuitive software makes it easy to access important information quickly. Whether you're trekking through mountains, exploring remote wilderness areas, or preparing for survival scenarios, the Instinct 3 Solar delivers a combination of toughness, functionality, and reliability that few watches can match. Number 8. Suunto Vertical Titanium Solar. At number 8 is the Suunto Vertical Titanium Solar, a premium survival watch designed for serious outdoor explorers. Suunto has long been associated with adventure, navigation, and endurance sports, and the Vertical Titanium Solar represents one of its most capable creations. The watch combines lightweight titanium construction with exceptional durability, creating a timepiece that feels comfortable while remaining incredibly tough. One of the watch's greatest strengths is its advanced navigation system. Solar charging technology extends battery life significantly, reducing dependence on external power sources during long expeditions. The watch also provides valuable environmental information, including altitude, weather trends, and navigation data. The display is optimized for outdoor visibility, ensuring clear readability even under bright sunlight. Fitness and health tracking features add another layer of functionality, allowing users to monitor performance during demanding adventures. Water resistance and rugged construction ensure reliable operation in challenging conditions. In 2026, the Suunto Vertical Titanium Solar remains one of the best survival watches available for adventurers who require dependable navigation, exceptional battery life, and premium durability in a lightweight package. Number 7. Amazfit T-Rex 3. At number 7 is the Amazfit T-Rex 3, a rugged outdoor smartwatch that has quickly earned a reputation as one of the best value-packed survival watches of 2026. Designed for adventurers who need reliability in harsh environments, the T-Rex 3 combines military-grade durability with advanced navigation and fitness features. Its tough construction inspires confidence in demanding conditions, while the large, bright display remains easy to read whether you're under direct sunlight or navigating through difficult weather. One of the T-Rex 3's biggest strengths is its outstanding battery life, allowing users to spend more time exploring and less time worrying about charging. Advanced GPS technology provides accurate navigation and route tracking, helping adventurers stay on course in remote locations. The watch also includes useful outdoor tools such as a compass, altitude monitoring, weather tracking, and multiple activity modes designed specifically for outdoor sports and survival situations. Beyond its adventure-focused features, the T-Rex 3 also excels as a fitness smartwatch, offering heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, recovery analysis, and overall wellness insights. Number 6. Casio Pro Trek PRW 6900. Landing at number 6 is the Casio Pro Trek PRW 6900, a watch designed specifically for outdoor exploration. Casio's Pro Trek line has long been trusted by hikers, climbers, campers, and survival enthusiasts, and the PRW 6900 continues that tradition with a combination of toughness and practical functionality. The watch features triple sensor technology, providing a digital compass, barometer, and altimeter directly on your wrist. These tools offer valuable information when navigating unfamiliar terrain or monitoring changing weather conditions. Tough solar technology ensures dependable operation by converting sunlight into power, reducing the need for battery replacements. The rugged construction allows the watch to withstand harsh outdoor environments while maintaining reliability. The display is easy to read in a variety of lighting conditions, and the comfortable design makes it suitable for long adventures. Water resistance further enhances its versatility, allowing users to confidently face rain, rivers, and other wet conditions. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and feature-rich survival watch, the Pro Trek PRW 6900 remains one of the best choices in 2026. Number 5. Garmin Fenix 8 Solar. Breaking into the top 5 is the Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, a watch that combines advanced technology with outstanding durability. Widely regarded as one of the most capable outdoor smartwatches ever created, the Fenix 8 Solar excels in navigation, fitness tracking, and survival-oriented functionality. The rugged construction is designed to handle demanding environments, while the solar charging capability helps extend battery life during extended adventures. The watch supports multiple satellite systems, providing exceptional location accuracy even in challenging terrain. Outdoor enthusiasts benefit from detailed navigation tools, route tracking, weather information, and performance analytics. The display is bright, sharp, and easy to read in direct sunlight. Fitness features include advanced heart rate monitoring, recovery analysis, endurance metrics, and activity tracking. Despite its extensive capabilities, the watch remains comfortable enough for everyday wear. Garmin's software ecosystem adds further value by allowing users to customize their experience and access detailed activity data. In 2026, the Fenix 8 Solar remains one of the most complete survival watches available. Number 4. Polar Grit X2 Pro. At number 4 is the Polar Grit X2 Pro, a watch engineered for explorers, endurance athletes, and outdoor adventurers. Built with durability as a priority, the Grit X2 Pro features premium materials designed to withstand demanding environments. The sapphire crystal display provides excellent protection against scratches and impacts while maintaining outstanding visibility. Navigation is one of the watch's strongest features, offering detailed route guidance, location tracking, and outdoor mapping tools. The watch also includes environmental monitoring capabilities that help users stay aware of changing conditions during adventures. Battery life is excellent, making it suitable for extended expeditions. Polar's fitness and recovery tracking technology remains among the industry's best, providing valuable insights into training and physical performance. Whether you're hiking through mountains, exploring remote wilderness areas, or participating in endurance events, the Grit X2 Pro delivers dependable performance and rugged reliability. Its combination of durability, navigation tools, and advanced tracking features secures its place among the best survival watches of 2026. Number 3. Apple Watch Ultra 3. Claiming the number 3 position is the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple's toughest and most adventure-focused smartwatch to date. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, divers, hikers, and athletes, the Ultra 3 combines premium construction with powerful technology. The titanium case provides exceptional durability while remaining relatively lightweight. The large display offers excellent brightness and readability, even in direct sunlight. Navigation capabilities have improved significantly, making the watch a valuable companion for outdoor exploration. Advanced health and fitness tracking features allow users to monitor heart rate, workouts, recovery, and overall wellness. Water resistance and diving capabilities further expand the watch's versatility. Battery life has also improved, making it more practical for extended adventures. The integration with Apple's ecosystem remains a major advantage, providing seamless connectivity with other Apple devices. In 2026, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 continues to be one of the most capable adventure smartwatches available. Number 2. Garmin Tactix 8. Taking the runner-up position is the Garmin Tactix 8, a watch designed for professionals operating in extreme environments. Inspired by military requirements, the Tactix 8 combines rugged durability with advanced navigation, communication, and survival features. The watch is built to withstand harsh conditions while providing reliable access to critical information. Multiple satellite systems ensure highly accurate positioning, while advanced mapping and navigation tools support exploration and mission planning. The rugged construction includes premium materials capable of handling demanding outdoor use. Battery life is exceptional, allowing users to operate for extended periods without concern. The watch also includes comprehensive fitness tracking and performance monitoring features. Whether used by outdoor adventurers, survival experts, hunters, or professionals, the Tactix 8 delivers an unmatched combination of capability and toughness. In 2026, it remains one of the most respected survival watches on the market. Number 1. G-Shock Rangeman GPR H1000. Taking the number 1 spot as the best tough survival watch of 2026 is the G-Shock Rangeman GPR H1000. This watch represents everything a survival watch should be: durable, reliable, feature-packed, and built to perform under the harshest conditions imaginable. Solar-assisted charging helps maximize battery life, ensuring reliable performance during extended adventures. The rugged construction protects the watch from impacts and environmental hazards, while the large display remains easy to read in difficult conditions. Fitness and health tracking features add additional versatility, making the watch suitable for both outdoor exploration and everyday use. What truly sets the Rangeman apart is its reputation for reliability. Outdoor enthusiasts trust it because it consistently performs when conditions become challenging. Whether you're hiking through mountains, navigating remote wilderness, preparing for emergencies, or tackling extreme adventures, the G-Shock Rangeman GPR H1000 delivers the durability and functionality needed to succeed. For that reason, it earns the title of the best tough survival watch of 2026. Those were our picks for the top 10 best tough survival watches of 2026. Which survival watch would you trust in the wild? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gear reviews and outdoor rankings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.